And they're on the way. And a pretty nice even beginning to as expected. Tigeran out on her favorite position as the pace setter. Yes, yes, yes. Moving up to take second, and in third we have Top Mate. Alongside comes 5-star. Then 2 lengths back in fifth is a Flying Honor. Furniture King is the early trailer. Past the last 600, we have Tigeran in front by about a length and a half. And in second is the Yes, Yes, Yes. 4 lengths back. Then in third comes Top Mate. Then moving upon the outside and now whipping in is 5-star. But it's still Tigeran by about a length and a half. Yes, Yes, Yes remains in second. 3:50 to travel. No change with the leader. Tigeran leads by about 3 lengths now. Yes, Yes, Yes still in second. And in third comes Flying Honor. Tigeran. Yes, Yes, Yes trying to get closer. But nearing the finish line, it's going to be Tigeran. Yes, 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 Flying Honor. Then 5-star, Top Mate, and Furniture King.